In the world of Formula One, where speed meets spectacle, the unveiling of a new car livery is an event that transcends mere aesthetics. It is a moment steeped in anticipation, a flashpoint where fans, engineers, and drivers converge in a shared excitement for what the upcoming season holds. Red Bull Racing, a team synonymous with innovation, performance, and a touch of flamboyance, chose the prestigious F1 75 live event to reveal their 2025 car livery. This decision was not merely about showcasing a new paint job, it was a celebration of the sport, its history, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. As the day approached, the buzz surrounding the event grew palpable. Social media platforms were abuzz with speculation and excitement, with fans and analysts alike dissecting every rumor and hint dropped by the team. What would the new livery look like? Would it pay homage to the team's storied past? Or would it forge a bold new identity for the future? The anticipation reached a fever pitch as the event drew near, and Red Bull knew that they had to deliver something truly spectacular. On the day of the event, the atmosphere was electric. F1 enthusiasts, team members, and media representatives gathered at a venue that exuded a sense of grandeur and history. The stage was set, adorned with the iconic Red Bull logo, and the air was thick with a mix of excitement and nostalgia. The event was designed to celebrate not just the unveiling of a car, but the very essence of Formula One itself, marking 75 years of racing brilliance. As the lights dimmed, the crowd hushed in anticipation, eyes fixed on the stage where the future of Red Bull Racing would soon be revealed. The unveiling began with a captivating video montage that traced the team's illustrious journey through the years. It showcased legendary drivers, unforgettable races, and the relentless spirit of competition that has defined Red Bull Racing. The montage was a tribute to the past, a reminder of the team's achievements, and a promise of what was to come. It set the tone for the evening, blending history with the thrill of innovation. As the video faded, the stage lights illuminated a sleek, covered figure at the center. The crowd erupted in cheers, a collective breath held in anticipation. With a dramatic flourish, the cover was pulled away, revealing the 2025 Red Bull racing car in all its glory. The livery was a stunning blend of vibrant colors and bold designs, a visual feast that encapsulated the team's daring spirit. Deep blue and striking red melded seamlessly with accents of silver, creating a dynamic look that was both aggressive and elegant. The design was a nod to the team's heritage while signaling a bold step into the future, a balance that Red Bull has always strived to achieve. The new livery was not just about aesthetics, it was also a statement of intent. As Formula One continues to evolve, with sustainability and technology at the forefront, Red Bull's design incorporated elements that reflected their commitment to these ideals. Subtle motifs symbolizing innovation and environmental consciousness were woven into the livery, a testament to the team's forward-thinking approach. This was not merely a car, it was a canvas that represented the fusion of performance, technology, and responsibility. As the applause echoed through the venue, the team's principal and key personnel took to the stage, their expressions a mix of pride and excitement. They spoke passionately about the design process, the challenges faced, and the vision that guided them. Each member of the team shared insights into the meticulous planning that went into creating the livery, emphasizing how it encapsulated their collective ambition for the 2025 season. The drivers too expressed their enthusiasm, their eyes gleaming with the promise of what lay ahead. They spoke of the thrill of racing with the new design, the motivation it provided, and the unity it fostered within the team. The event was not just an unveiling, it was an experience designed to engage fans at every level. Interactive displays allowed attendees to explore the technology behind the car, offering a glimpse into the engineering marvels that would compete on the track. Virtual reality stations transported fans into the cockpit, allowing them to experience the thrill of high-speed racing from the driver's perspective. The blend of technology and tradition created an immersive atmosphere, drawing fans deeper into the world of Formula One. As the evening progressed, the excitement continued to build. Special guests, including former champions and influential figures in the motorsport world, shared their thoughts on the significance of the new livery. They reminisced about their own experiences with Red Bull Racing, highlighting the team's impact on the sport and the legacy they continue to build. Each story added layers to the narrative of the evening, reinforcing the notion that Red Bull is not just a team, it is a family, a community bound by a shared passion for racing. The culmination of the event came with a spectacular light show that enveloped the venue, synchronized to a pulsating soundtrack that echoed the adrenaline of racing. As the lights danced around the stage, the new car stood proudly at the center, a symbol of ambition and determination. The crowd erupted in cheers once more, a cacophony of excitement that resonated with the spirit of Formula One. In that moment, as the 2025 Red Bull racing car livery basked in the glow of the celebration, it became clear that this was more than just a new design. It was a promise of speed, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of victory. The unveiling at F1 75 Live was a testament to the enduring legacy of Red Bull Racing, a celebration of the past, present, and future of a team that continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in the world of motorsport. As fans left the venue, their hearts raced with the thrill of what was to come, united in their anticipation for the new season and the adventures that awaited on the track.